They laughed at him, mocked him, and left him to fail. But when the storm came, the one they underestimated became the one they could never forget. A little bird was swept far from his nest during a sudden storm. He had only just begun learning to fly, scared and lost. He kept trying, but every time he rose a little, he would fall again. From afar, an older bird watched with his companion. He whispered gently, "This little one, he's not giving up. There's something in him." They flew closer. The baby bird, trembling, asked politely, "I'm lost, and I don't know how to fly properly yet. Can you help me get home?" The older bird smirked. "If you can't fly, why did you leave the nest in the first place?" he mocked. His companion laughed along with him. The little bird felt hurt, but instead of arguing, he began observing, watching their wings, their timing, how they caught the wind. The older bird flew off again, circled high, and returned with a sarcastic remark. He did this again and again, but on his last return, the little bird was gone. "Wait, did he fly?" the old bird asked. "Yes," the companion replied, astonished, and this time he didn't fall. "You made fun of him," the companion continued. "Why are you smiling?" The older bird looked up at the sky and said, "He didn't listen to my words. He watched my wings. His strength was always within him. I didn't help him by lifting him. I helped him by challenging him. If I had taught him gently, he might have depended on me. But now, he believes in himself. That's real strength. That is the kind of help that doesn't feel like help, but it changes everything." The companion fell silent. He had just witnessed something powerful. True strength is not given, it's awakened. It cannot be handed to you. It lies deep within, waiting to be discovered. Challenges and struggles are not barriers. They are the very forces that ignite your inner courage and resilience. Genuine help doesn't mean carrying someone through life's hardships, but guiding them to discover their wings and their own power to soar. When you believe in yourself and face your fears with determination, you unlock the strength to rise. No matter how many times you fall, remember, every great journey begins with a single, brave flight from your comfort zone. If this story touched your heart, don't let it end here. Think about the moments in your life when you felt like that little bird, lost, scared, yet still trying to rise. Your inner strength is waiting to be awakened, just like his. If you've ever faced a storm and kept going, share your story in the comments. It might give someone else the courage they need today. And if this message moved you, share it with someone who needs a little light. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories that inspire the soul and remind us all. True strength isn't given, it's awakened.